Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Sleazee. In this video, we're going to go to a couple different Walmarts and we're going to see exactly how much we're making per hour from the moment I leave the house to the moment I get back home. Here's our list of Walmarts that we're going to hit. Let's get in the car and see if we can find some licks. Alright, y'all can see it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. We're about to head to that first location. Alright, so I did need to get some gas and I promised I would keep up with that. So the first thing we did was put $20 in the tank. That filled it up about halfway, which pretty much got us through the day. Shout out to our Nissan. Alright, that should hold us up for a while. What'd you say? Some cocoa melons. These?
For $5. They're next to one fucking bucket.
Oh, they are $5. Oh, ooh, girl. Come here, I love you. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Oh, there's another one. You just keep going. $30. $36. I think it's worth a shot. Oh, that's not bad. That's not too bad. $27, that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. Take that. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those.
That was $1.50.
Was it? flashlight, really bright flashlight. Oh, it's got the Christmas bow on it. That's a good sign. $10. Oh, Christmasopoly. Just trying to make sure y'all are still awake. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
You ready to get some licks? All right, so heading out from our first lick. Dang, we got him good, didn't we? Yeah, we got him good. Wow, So we spent about $223 here, and we'll figure out how much we made when we get back home. It's 5:25 in the afternoon. Our next stop is 15 minutes away, so let's go ahead and get to it while there's still some daylight. Bing, bing, bing. Clear, his bell's going off. Okay. Yeah, boy. But they say $2.49 on the app, so we need to make sure these came for $2.
Yeah, I can get mine. These are 20 cents here. They were lower at the other one.
See? Some Roblox. $11. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's going with us. Yeah, because it would have been right there. Some Power Rangers. Hold on now. Damn. Let's try eBay. I mean, it's $2.50. I mean, come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. $16. We got 3 of them. Well, let's look at these. Let me find out. All right, guys, $6.40. See what we're working with here. Oh, this one's not restricted, y'all. This one's not restricted. Okay. They say 13 to 17, but here it says $15.99. I'm gonna go $15.99. We'll say about it for $6.40. 224. Decided to switch to the camera for a second, but I can see it. Scoutify, this is top 1%. So looks like I can sell it for around $15.99 or so. I don't know why, but I guess the only reason is the app was updated on this phone, so when I scan it with this phone it shows up 246. It was at this point that I should have realized my mistake. One of the phones was showing the prices from the previous store because sometimes you have to refresh the app for it to update the location, so always check that.
There's 6 different figures.
That one's broken, I don't want that one. Damn, this one's kind of scratched. It's not bad. I mean, well, let's see what they sell on eBay for. Okay, yeah, I might have to go for it anyway. Uh-oh. Oh man, this shit right here is just straight painful to watch, no cap. Alright, these are supposed to be marked down to like $2 or $3, so let's see what we got. $5. These cost $5. Boom.
Oh, here's a different scent. These are all pink and brown.
$5. That one's $5. Oh my gosh. What's the rank? That's 1 million rank. Who cares? It's $5. Boom. $5 is
Cinnamon
$5.
chai or no?
No.
No.
And the Yankee Doodle candles? Nope. That's not gonna work, brother. Oh man. Alright, so we're heading to check out. I thought we were gonna need a second cart, but there wasn't enough of those waffle makers for us to need one, unfortunately. Either way. Alright, so we're leaving out from our second stop right now. It's already starting to get dark. We really thought we had a lick for a second with the Bluetooth shower heads, but turns out they were ringing up for $20 a piece. One of my phones, actually me and Britt's phone both, they weren't updating the location, so I don't know. They were showing up $7.50 on our side, but in reality they were $20. And the people at the register, they didn't want to honor it, so well, it is what it is. We still got some licks though. Alright, so now we're heading to the last stop of the night. We're about 4.5 hours in, and we decide to stop at an Office Depot because I found a lick on BrickSeek for some laser pointers, and I wanted to see if maybe they had some in stock. What are you doing? Alright, so not a whole lot going on here as you can see. More importantly, we didn't find the laser pointers, but the manager was really cool, and after he looked around for a while, he checked online and noticed there was 2 left at the warehouse. So we went ahead and ordered those, and I got them for $5.95 a unit. As you can see, there's a discount of $94. These go for $50 on Amazon right now, so yeah, super happy with that find. It is about 9:15 at night. So we've been out for about 6 hours or so, and this is what we got. We only had to spend $20 in gas. Let's go ahead and go through this and figure out how much we made. So we've got 8 of these Bluetooth shower head speakers, and we got these for $7.50 a piece. We're gonna list those on Amazon for $17.99. We've got our wood wick candle here, and we got this for $7. We're going to list this one here for $33.40. These mystery tackle boxes here, these were $2 a piece, and we're going to list these on Amazon for $17.90. Darth Vader toys here, we got these ones for $2.46. We're going to list these on Amazon for $15.99. Hover helicopter things, we got these for $14.88. We're going to list these for $29.95. We got 6 of these. Our Roblox toy here, we got this for $11. I'm going to list this on eBay for $34.99. Halo toys here, we've got 5 of these, and we paid $11 a piece for these. We're going to list these on Amazon for $30 a piece. Cocoa Melon trains, we got these for $5 a piece. We're going to list these on Amazon for $26.99. We've got these baseball bats here, $8 a piece. And we're going to list those on eBay for $32.99 based off the sales history that I've seen. And last but not least, we've got these 2 laser pointers from Office Depot. We got these for $5.95 a piece. And we're going to sell these on Amazon for $51.34 a piece. So with just the products alone, we're looking at a cost of $324.56. And we're estimating a profit of around $429.65. Now we got to subtract the gas and the sales tax like we mentioned earlier. So the gas was $20 and the sales tax was $26.98. That means that our total profit taken home is estimated around $382.67. That, based on the 6.25 hours that we spent out catching these licks, is going to factor out to around $61.23 an hour as an hourly wage. Alright, so there you have it. We got about 115% ROI between all these products here. It took us a little over 6 hours to get to those 3 stores and back home, but we averaged around $61.23 an hour in total based off this profit. So you can't beat $61 an hour, especially not when you enjoy what you're doing. So most importantly, just remember, if I can do this, you definitely can do this. All you got to do is download the apps, scan the barcodes, and find some links. And most importantly, take it sleazy. See y'all in the next one.